One of the biggest things to look out for in 2025 will be the Donald Trump presidency and the impact it will have on India. Now, ahead of the January 20th inauguration, a big row has erupted over H-1B visas. Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy have clashed with MAGA supporters over the issue, but the backlash prompted Musk to make a U-turn, who now says that the H-1B visa system is broken and needs major reforms.
Within days of the H-1B visa issue exploding in the United States, Elon Musk has seemingly taken a U-turn on the subject. The world's richest man, worth more than $440 billion, who is now US President-elect Donald Trump's closest aide, has gone from stoutly defending the visa system to now advocating a complete overhaul. On Thursday, the 26th of December, Elon Musk highlighted the dire shortage of extremely talented and motivated engineers in America, saying the mental difference between humans are far bigger than physical differences. 2 days later, he went a step ahead, saying the H-1B visa was the reason that he was in America, along with many critical people who built SpaceX, Tesla, and hundreds of other companies that made America strong, threatening to go to war on the issue. Same day, however, his stance had cooled off a little, and there were signs that he was tuning in to the Make America Great Again or MAGA lobby, which powered Donald Trump's victory last month. Finally, 3 days after pledging to go to war to defend the H-1B visa program, Elon Musk labeled it broken and in urgent need of major reform. He suggested raising the minimum salary significantly and adding a yearly cost for maintaining the work-related visa. Interestingly, Donald Trump's stance on the scheme has also shifted recently. Trump, who had sought to curtail the scheme in his previous tenure as US President, recently voiced his support for it despite rising opposition from his political base. In June this year, Donald Trump had floated the idea of granting green cards automatically to foreign nationals who graduated from a US university. He said the green card should be part of the diploma or the degree to enable students to stay in the US. Trump once again defended the H-1B program, calling it great and saying he had many H-1B visa holders on his properties. The H-1B visa issue erupted in the United States after the appointment of Indian-American entrepreneur Sriram Krishnan as an advisor on artificial intelligence policy in the Donald Trump administration. Sriram Krishnan had earlier gone on record to bring more skilled immigrants to the United States. The blowback by the enraged MAGA lobby opposing the appointment was massive. The deep red Trump supporters said Krishnan's stance was not in line with its America First policy and said tech executives who had aligned themselves with Trump were doing so to enrich themselves. Vivek Ramaswamy, the Indian-American tech entrepreneur tapped by Donald Trump to lead his Department of Government Efficiency, was caught in the anti-Indian tide, with his statement that American culture was promoting mediocrity instead of focusing on academic excellence and success based on merit, facing a huge backlash. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.